The check engine light came on, so I began diagnosing the issue. After connecting a scan tool, I retrieved the code P0328, knock sensor 1 circuit high, bank 1 or single sensor. This code typically indicates a problem with the knock sensor, which is responsible for detecting abnormal combustion, knocking, and sending signals to the engine control unit to adjust timing. To investigate further, I performed a road test while monitoring live data from the knock sensor using the scan tool. I noticed that the knock sensor signal did not respond as expected, confirming there was an issue. Next, I performed a visual inspection of the knock sensor and its wiring harness to check for any visible damage, loose connections, or corrosion. Everything appeared intact, so I moved on to electrical testing. Using a multimeter, I checked the knock sensor signal wire circuit for a short and found none. To test the knock sensor's functionality, I back-probed the knock sensor signal wire with the key on. While monitoring the signal on a lab scope, I lightly tapped on the engine block with a hammer to simulate knocking. A properly functioning knock sensor should produce a clear signal in response to this vibration, but in this case, there was no observable signal on the lab scope. This result confirmed that the knock sensor was faulty. Based on these findings, I replaced the faulty knock sensor with a new one. After replacing the sensor, I cleared the fault codes and performed another road test to ensure the issue was resolved. The vehicle operated smoothly, the knock sensor readings were normal, and the check engine light did not return. No fault codes were present. This repair highlights the importance of the knock sensor in maintaining engine performance and protecting the engine from damage. A malfunctioning knock sensor can lead to poor timing adjustments, reduced fuel efficiency, and even engine damage if left unaddressed. By systematically diagnosing the issue and replacing the faulty sensor, I restored the vehicle to optimal performance.